Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and today I am back with a vegetarian recipe, halloumi wrap. I have to admit that I simply love its taste, it's my favorite. Start by slicing the eggplant into rounds. For one wrap, you will need 2 medium slices and 100 grams of halloumi cheese. Season the eggplant slices with salt and Mediterranean spices. You can find in the video's description what Mediterranean spices contain. Grease the grill with some olive oil in order to avoid sticking. Place the slices and the halloumi cheese and grill them on both sides for a few minutes. You know they are ready when the eggplant is slightly soft and the halloumi cheese is lightly charred. Remove them from the grill and cut the halloumi cheese in 3 equal pieces. Place your tortilla on your work surface and spread 2 teaspoons of sun-dried tomato pesto. Top with some rucola salad, eggplant, halloumi, and 4 cherry tomatoes slices. Season with salt and roll into a wrap. Place it on the grill and grill about 1 minute on each side. Cut it in half and serve warm. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel for a new recipe every week, and comment with what other recipes you would like me to share. Till next time, eat healthy and enjoy food.